Alright, this will be the trading recap from Wednesday, January 24th. So, going into the market, the plan was pretty simple. The market was at all time highs, so I was either watching to play long on a retest of key levels down here or take the market short once selling appeared, and we could play retest of it. So yeah, I said any of these levels could act as support, talking about some of those levels below. Then I said on the short side there is some selling at 4924 through 4921. And that level I didn't have marked here yet, but that kind of came in from this move right here, and I'll show you what it looked like on the tape. Alright, so I ended up marking this level right before the market opened because of this sell-off, and when we look at it on here, this move right here corresponds with this strong selling, so pretty much right through this 24 through 21 level is exactly where I was watching for a retest to play it short. And right here before open, I was getting kind of antsy wanting to get in this, but I decided, so I'm going to let this play out and wait till the open. And directly at open, there was a little bit of aggressive buying into this level. It started failing, and selling got really aggressive, and I got in with a really good short entry up there. As you can see, price moved down, retested my entry a little bit, and eventually broke lower. There was news at 9:45, which kind of could have been a reason why the market was moving slower. And then one other key thing about this trade I want to talk about was this 15 level, this 4915 level. At this point, I was seeing some absorption here, and this was starting to be a red flag, and I didn't want to reverse my position, but I knew I could stop out. However, selling was able to break that level, and if we look at it on here, this is where the absorption was occurring. Sellers kept failing at that 419 level. Buying was coming in, but eventually it broke aggressively. And then the last thing I need to talk about is my exit. I was originally targeting the 12 area. It kind of like down here, just from this pre-market support type area. However, when we broke this low, I started trailing my stop, and it got taken at 13.75, where seconds later 12 was hit where my target was. So I ended up costing myself like a point and 3/4 on that exit, but I was still able to get over 2R, 2.38R on that, 7.75 points. Pretty good intraday supply rejection. Got a nice rejection at near the all-time high, and that was the only trade I took on the day. One trade, one win. Looking at what I kind of missed, when this old hive day area / supply broke above, it was retested and held as support. Could have gotten in on a nice 12 point rally there. But either way, still good with the trade I took. I was on the market for like 6 hours yesterday, so I really didn't feel like being on for long today. And when I was at the point where I could get one and done, I just got off. Alright, now I'm just gonna show the broker real quick, just to show that I actually got in this. There's that sell at open. There's that cover down there. Yeah, as you can see, my target was right here. I got out here. Seconds later, we were down there. Pretty unfortunate. Peace.